Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can make the Latch and Latch program in XINJE PLC. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my XC series program tool and then we will create a new program. Just click it on file and click it on the new project. Also you can upload make. In previous video already explained about how we can make upload and download. So now in this video we will cover the topic can make latch and latch program. So here you have to be just connect your model, and which model you have you can select it from here. So I have XC242E model, so I will select it OK, and after this interface will be open. Very simple and easy method. Here you can choose, just you can take from here also, and also you can type the LDX0, just LD after space X0 is your first input address of your PLC. So also I will show you in my camera. Also you can see this is my XNJ PLC, and here you can see this is my input side and this is my output side. So output side I already connected this 4 LEDs and 4 input buttons, so which I will be show you which each button with one output, how we can make the latch and unlatch system. That's input already hardware, very simple wiring. I will show you how to make. This is just you have to be choose the one common. You can make the minus voltages, and after this plus, with all these inputs you can connect with each button, with the each input you can connect. Very simple and easy method. So we will physical make in the program. So next we will choose the output. Also you can choose it from here, and also if you know like to from here, this I will be delete, and just you can type out y0 and click enter, and your output will be placed, right? And in second row you have to be choose the one more output. Also you can type LDY0 also, and also you can take from here contact. This is the open contact, this is the close contact. Okay, and I need the close contact of the y0, and click enter, and this will be placed here. And also if you like to be extend this line, you just click it on here, or also you can press the F11. After your this line will be increased. You can see if I shift press F11, after it will be increased. So this one, click it here, mouse cursor, and you can click it here. After this will be line connected with the upside line. Okay, and next we will choose the one here. When you click, and after you have to be click it here for F6 also you can press, after you can get, and also you can type it here for LDI X2, for example X1 I will choose for my close contact. So also same can connect, and also for example F6 when I press, function shift plus F6, so you can see this is the function coming LDF. So this program I will download to the PLC, and here is upload button, and this is the download button. You can click it on the download button, and after you can see the message PLC code running continue. If you click it OK, after your program will be start downloading. Now your program is successfully downloaded, and you can test with the go to online, and here you can see this is the run and stop two buttons. I show you in the camera. because of once you download the program, after you can see here is the indication which is the run condition is now off. As I press this one start button, here also you can press, and also in online after you can press, and it, when press it here after, again I will show you, you can see this is the second line is run button is on. Wait, sorry, again when I click this is the run button is on. Now you can see here is the run button is on, and I will put it is this one window in the down, and we will test by simulation. And as when I press the X0, this is my first button X0, after our Y0 will be go to hold. You can see I press this one X0, and your is Y0 is now latched. And when I press this one X2, after my output will be off. And here also you can see this is the Y0 is now in on condition. As I press this one X2, after our Y0 will be closed. So this way you can make the latch and unlatch program. Now if you like to make one more same like program, you can just select here LDI X2 for example. This is first we use this one X1 and X0, and here you can choose for the X2 and click enter, and next you can choose out Y1 for example and click enter, and next you can choose one more open contact here. Oh sorry, this one we have to be take the output here. Sorry, this one first you have to choose the select area, and after you can write out Y1 and click enter. Now your Y1 will be selected, and after you first you have to be cursor yani click it where you like to be put yani input address or output address, you have to be just click once, and after you have to be go to the click the contact LDI for example X3 I will choose, and oh sorry, not LDI I need, here I need open contact, here need, here not need, here I need open contact LDI Y1 I need to holding my circuit, and next we will connect this line upside, and after next we will be clip first select it here, and after we choose the close contact of the X3 we can choose X0, X2 we choose, and X1 and X3 we will choose, and click enter. Now your second program of the holding circuit latch and unlatch is ready, and just click it on the download, and after your program will be start downloading, and as this will be complete downloaded, after you can make the sorry start the PLC. Okay, click it here, and just your when this is highlight green color, when you can see this close contacts, after your PLC is now online mode, and we can see here is also our PLC is online mode. Okay, and now we will check our second test. Now when you this is X2, this one we have to be select. When we click this one, I will show you in my camera complete my buttons, and this is last is our for close, right? Okay, and this is our on, and this is our off button. Okay guys, and also if you I think so this is stop mode, when you click it on the stop mode, and also online go, and this is the stop ladder monitor, after this will be okay, and this is your window can be select the area auto widget. So hope guys you will be understand about how we can design the latch and unlatch program in XINJE PLC. If not understand anything, You can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.